Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see a stereochemistry in that enantiomeric excess tricks. Okay, it's highly important. Don't miss this till the end. Watch it. Okay, it's useful for exams also. Some of the enantiomeric excess formulas you need to keep it in your mind. Then only you can able to do. The first one, if the enantiomer is in mole fraction, then what is the formula you have to use? The first R enantiomer means minus S enantiomer. That is, we can get it enantiomeric excess. If it is in percentage into 100, okay, FR, that is the fraction, that is mole fraction of R minus the mole fraction of S into 100. This is the percentage of enantiomeric excess. In the case of enantiomer, if it is present in only in moles, what is the formula? That is R enantiomers minus S enantiomer divided by R plus S into 100. And third one, if the specific rotation and pure enantiomer both is there, means how to find out the enantiomeric excess, that is optical purity. That is the specific rotation of observed and then the pure enantiomer. What is that? Specific rotation of observed divided by the pure enantiomers into 100. In that we can get at the enantiomeric excess. This is the three formulas which you need to keep it in your mind. The first solved questions. See, in that I am going to give you all the tricks also. Okay, please watch it carefully. The mixture contains 80% R2 bromobutane and 20% S2 bromobutane. Okay, the mixture contains 80 and 20. Okay, see here, the picture shows very clearly the percentage of enantiomers. This S is 20% and R is 80%. This is the enantiomer. Okay, in case if 60% is the enantiomeric excess and 20% will be a racemic mixture, means this will be the case. Okay, see that clearly, see that racemic mixture is 40%. 40% means this is 1:1 ratio. 40% means 20% S and 20% R. So remaining 60% will be the enantiomeric excess of the R isomer. Okay, so this will be totally, it should be 100 racemic mixture and plus enantiomeric excess, both totally how much it should be 100. Okay, if enantiomeric excess is given, means the remaining amount will be the racemic mixture. Keep this carefully, keep this mind carefully. Okay, and I'll tell you in some other way also. See here, I'll tell you here itself, the racemic mixture is 1:1, that is 50-50%. Okay, 1:1. If S is 20 means and R is also 20%, that is racemic mixture. Okay, if the enantiomeric excess is 60% means this is 20-20. If it is 80% means, so remaining racemic mixture overall 20%, so 10% S and 10% R. Okay, this you need to keep it carefully. And see the answer for this question. Enantiomeric excess. Okay, enantiomeric A minus enantiomeric B. What is enantiomeric A? Enantiomeric A is that is R. Another one is S. R minus S. Okay, 80 minus 20, which is equal to 60. This is the simplest way we need to find it. Okay, this is the first trick. Okay, keep this the simplest way to find. First enantiomer minus which is biggest one minus another one which shows the enantiomeric excess. Okay, if you put into 100, then it is 100. Okay, if it is already they have given in percentage, so directly we have substituted. The second problem, what is the enantiomeric excess of the mixture containing 12.8 mole of R2 bromobutane and 3.2 mole of S2 bromobutane? I have taken the same for the same substances. Don't see that. See the moles. Okay, this is given in mole. So if it is a mole, what is the formula? I already said. Okay, what is that? R minus S divided by R plus S into 100%. The one is 12.8, another one is 3.2. So 12.8 minus 3.2 divided by 12.8 plus 3.2. So 12.8 minus 3.2 is 9.6. So divided by this one into 100, which shows 60%. This is enantiomeric excess. So what will be the racemic mixture? The first trick, this is the main trick which you need to keep in mind. So how to find out the each enantiomers? Okay, percentage of each enantiomers. This is the first trick. Keep it in your mind. What is the remaining racemic mixture? That is 40%. Okay, if enantiomeric excess is 60 means the racemic mixture is 40%. If it is 40%, R is 20 and S is 20. So overall, what is that? This is R enantiomer. So overall R enantiomer is what is how much? This is the 60 plus this is the 40. Sorry, this is the 60 plus what is where it is R 20. So 60 plus 20 is just 80. 80% is the R enantiomers. Okay, this is the trick number 1. Other way also we can find out. Another method, that is trick number 2. How to find out? This is the answer. Okay, and another way also we can find out. Another formula which is 50 plus the enantiomeric percentage divided by 2. Okay, this is for R enantiomer, and S enantiomer 50 minus enantiomeric percentage divided by 2. Okay, this is the S enantiomer. Here which enantiomer is there, in that enantiomer you have to put plus. If another enantiomer is there means that should be minus. Okay, this is the formula. In here R is there, so we have put here plus. Okay, how to find out? 50 plus here 60 divided by 2. So 50 plus divided by 2 means 30. 50 plus 30 is 80%. The same answer we got. Okay, here R is equal to 80. Here is also R is equal to 80. And S 50 minus 60 by 2, which is equal to 20%. S is 20. This is also another one. This is the easiest method you can find it. You keep this in mind. If you forget or if you are not find it easy, you can do this also. It's very tricky. You have to remember all those things. If your sign is different, if you make it any changes in the sign, whole sum will get wrong. So this is the easiest method. And another third trick is also there. I'll tell you what is that. If R plus S, we have to assume R plus S is always 100%. Okay, and if the given R enantiomer means, if enantiomeric excess is R means, so we have to take it R minus S. If a given enantiomeric excess is S means S minus R. Okay, that like that you have to do. That is the 60%. That is 60%. Just add these two equation. So this S get cancelled. Only 2R will be there. 2R, which is equal to, if you add 100 plus 60 means 160%. So R is equal to 80%. 160 divided by 2 means 80%. Okay, if R is equal to 80% means if S is equal to 100 minus 80, which gives 20%. This is the another way. This is also easiest way. These two way we can take it easy. Okay, you can do it. We will see the next. Calculate the EE of a mixture of 2 bromobutanes with an observed specific rotation of plus 18.5. Find out the percentage of each enantiomers. The given S2 bromobutane is given. Okay, rotation is given. This is also plus, and specific rotation, this is also plus. So what they are asking, enantiomeric excess. The formula already I said, optical purity percentage enantiomeric excess, which is equal to observed rotation divided by the pure observed specific rotation, which is into 100. Okay, here what is that? 23.1 is the pure rotation as given. Okay, observed rotation is, what is that? Plus 18.5. 18.5 divided by 23.1 into 100. Okay, plus 18.5 divided by 23.1 into 100. How much percentage you are getting? 80%. So enantiomeric excess is 80 means the racemic mixture is 20. What is the first trick? Racemic mixture is 20. That is 1:1. R will be 10, S will be 10. So overall S percentage is, what is that? 80 plus 10, which is equal to 90. 90% is the enantiomer of S. And R is another 10%. So another trick also, we will take 1 and 3 trick alone. Okay, if it is R and plus S is equal to 100 means here S enantiomer is there. So S minus R, which is equal to 80. You just add these two, you will cancel the R, both R will get cancelled. So 2S is equal to 180. So S is equal to 90. So S is equal to 90 means 100 minus 90 is 10. So R is the 10. The same value you will get. In this trick also you can use it. In this trick also you can use it. This is the easiest one and this is the second easiest one. And self-practice problems are given. Okay, 2 problems are there. This is very easy, already done. Same problem only, but this is somewhat tricky. It's not tricky. You have to substitute and you have to find out the problem. Okay, so try to find out it. I'll give you the link also. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so that you will get all the upcoming tricks also. Okay, which is highly useful for your exams. Thanks for watching.